For your eyes only can see me through